Hi everyone, Kai's here. In this series, I'm gonna teach you how to make gifts with our cutting and engraving machines and different materials. So what we're gonna do today, please check out this shoe on my hand with my name on it. You can always send some gift like this to someone you love. So today I'm gonna show you how to decorate your shoes with our vinyls, also by using our M1 machines. Let's get it started. Here are the things we need for today. You got M1 machine, you got laptop, a couple of cutting mats, and a shoe, a blade head, and the weighting tools, which is very helpful, and tape measure, and your favorite vinyl, and heat press machine. Okay, let's start with putting the cutting mat on the base plate. They're gonna prevent the blade head from directly cutting the base plate. Otherwise, your blade head will be blunt and the base plate will be scrapped. You don't want that happens, do you? So speaking of the cutting mats, we got two colors for you. So the blue one and the red one. So the blue one has weak viscosity, it's less sticky, it's for the materials like very thinner, such as vinyl and craft paper. And the red one, or maybe, I don't know, pink one, what do you think? Anyway, something between, this one is for the thicker materials because it's more sticky, such as leathers, felt, and clothes. So today, we're gonna use this blue one because we're gonna cut our vinyl. Just remember to remove the both sides films before you put it in, okay? So let's do it. And then we opened M1 lid and put it inside. Just remember the top side needs to against the edge of the base plate, okay? And also the left side should be aligned with the white line. That's the correct way to place it. And then it's time to put our vinyl in. So about the vinyl, I want to mention something about this. It has double sides, so one side is shiny side, the other side is matte side. So remember, always put the shiny side down because that's the carrier sheet, okay? So put inside, very close to the camera. I like to mention it, there's a camera built in M1 machine. That's the area where you want to cut or engrave from, okay? Yeah, it's all done. And then we need to change the head. M1 is dual head, it's the first one in the market. It has a laser head, has a blade head. So first of all, take off the blade holder. You can see it. And then choose a 45-degree blade point. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself. Firstly, press the tail end of the blade module and put the point blade in. And then hold the front end and rotate the tail end to adjust the length of the blade exposed until only the tip of the blade exposed. And next, fit the blade module back to the laser module. Alright, now close the lid and connect your computer. And turn on the power switch. Now it's time to go to our design space. We have our own software. It's called xTool Creative Space, XCS. So let's do it. Let's just click the XCS software. Import image. Just remember, we need to import the vector graphic. Oh, it's quite big, isn't it? So if you want to resize a pattern, always remember to click this lock icon. Then you can resize the pattern in proportion. Let's make it smaller. There you go. And then connect the device. Double click. As we mentioned, we have a camera built in, then we can have a live preview through the surface. Drag the pattern. Now it's time to measure your shoes because you want to make sure where is your pattern and how big it is. Okay? So we take the shoes, use the tape measure or ruler. I would like to cut around 2.2 inches. So our software is automatically set up millimeters, but if you like, you can change to inches. Just click the setting and choose the inches, especially for American customers. And then we put it here, 2.2 inches. There you go. There's something very important I'd like to mention with you guys. Always remember to mirror your pattern because we're gonna cut the back of the vinyl, so your picture needs to be mirrored as well. How to do it? Select pattern and choose the reflect. And choose the reflect horizontally. There you go. And then we choose the blade cut and we choose PU heat transfer vinyl. Then the parameter is all set up, it's auto measured. But if you want, you can also choose user defined material. Then you can try to set up different parameters to find out which one is best for you. Everything is ready. Let's click start. And push the button here. And they're ready to go. Alright, I'm so excited about this. Let's check out how that goes, okay? Open the lid and take off the vinyl. And I can clearly see my pattern on the vinyl. So now use the scissor and cut it off. So now is the reading time. We got reading tools. Just use this reader to peel off the negative space you don't need. Just keep the pattern on it. So you can always peel out from the corner, which is much easier for you. Let's start from here. Weeding is the process to get rid of the part you don't really need and keep the pattern on it. Just remember, when you're reading, you need to be really patient because you're probably gonna accidentally cut the letter you want to keep with. Just take it slowly. Also, there's one more thing I'd like to emphasize. If you find out that your vinyl is not cut through by the blade head, just increase the pressure on your software and that will be fine. There you go, you can clearly see my name on it, KAI, with a round circle. It looks like a round face, it's very cute, isn't it? So now we're gonna use heat press machine to press this one on this shoe. It's pretty cool for a shoe, right? So let's do it. But because this shoe is not very flat, so we need to put something inside. So we prepare something like this and put inside, just make it very flat. That's gonna help us to press it correctly. Alright, we're gonna set up the temperature around 350 degrees and we're gonna press it about 15 seconds. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself. Aiming it and press it as hard as you can. Make sure it's stable. Well, I'm a little bit shaking, but it's fine. There you go. So let's just check out how that goes. Just slowly to take off. But if you found out it doesn't come off easily, that means you need to use this machine to press it again. And also remember, after you're pressing it, just cool it down for a little bit because it's quite hot. Gonna affect a result as well. 3, 2, 1, there you go. Okay, it looks so good. I'm so happy about this one. It's shining, right? Look at this. I'm really loving it. It's not difficult at all, is it? You can always decorate your shoes, your cushions, and your canvas bag. Also, your cap. Would you like to receive a gift with your name on it like this? I'll be really happy if someone gave this to me. So please leave your questions and share your ideas in the comment, and I will see you next time.